I'm now inside the Great Hall of the People where the two sessions are on the way. Today is the opening day of the fourth plenary session of the 14th National People's Congress. This year is the opening year of China's 15th five-year plan. Delegates reviewed the draft plan to map up China's development in the following 5 years. Of course, everyone is focused on the government work report just released today. For us in the cultural sector, there is great news. The government will boost high-quality development of cultural tourism and cultivate diversified forms of business featuring the integration of culture, tourism, sports, and commerce. It will also encourage efforts to extend the global reach of more cultural enterprises and fine cultural works. I've already spoken with many delegates today.
I work in marine ecology and environmental research, and I was also involved in the legislative process for drafting the environmental code. So I'm very pleased to see the code being submitted to the two sessions for review this time. Moving forward, I'll focus on how this code can be implemented.
My hometown is in Nujiang Lisu Autonomous Prefecture. In recent years, the region has been building the tourism brand of Mystic Nujiang, an outdoor paradise, with related topics generating more than 1.9 billion views online. Today, Nujiang's culture and tourism sector is working to turn its natural resource advantages into new drivers of development. Events and competitions tied to culture and tourism have become important platforms for boosting the region's visibility and stimulating consumption, and they are now a defining feature of Nujiang's tourism growth.
On one hand, as a representative from the manufacturing sector, I'm eager to see what new policies China will introduce to support industrial upgrading in the era of artificial intelligence. On the other hand, as a representative from an ethnic region, I also hope to see more supportive policies that strengthen the sense of community for the Chinese nation and further promote ethnic unity, development, and shared progress.